welcome to the channel AKY Biotech. So today we'll be discussing the important questions because the examination is only a 1 day left. So here comes the question which was discussed in the previous video, and I hope that you all are going through all the questions to take a quick revision. So and getting benefit from all these videos. So please like and share the video, and also subscribe to the channel so that you can get latest updates. So here comes the question which was asked in the previous video. It was like this. Which of the following are stress hormones? So the stress hormones, the correct answer to this is that is abscisic acid, ABA and the ethylene. These two are the stress hormones. So many have answered it correctly today as well. So the name, there is a long list. It goes like this. That is Yashwant Kumar Yadav, Khushid Akhtar, Pinky Yadav, Sudhir Babu, Beenu Tiwari, Smriti Kana Paul, Monica Ghelot, Rajiv Kumar, Deepak Ravindra, Ekta Arya, Priyanka Hanmante, Jibrela Molong, Asha Dabas, Aarti Patel, Meera Mishra, Nilesh Sharma, Dhaiya Bioinfo, Saraboni Talukdar, Brainy Kids Points, Manthan Kapuria, Utish Arvind, Neelam K, Tripti Tiwari, Pooja Khatare, Neeti Sharma, Busra Anjum, Shivani Rana, Anzu Varghese. So that's a great thing that you people are taking equal interest and solving out the questions. So let's move on to our next question, that is the 571. Enzyme catalase reactions by, so enzyme, this catalase, it reactions by selectively binding the transition state of a catalyzes a reaction. How the enzyme catalyzes a reaction? That is, they selectively bind the transition state of a reaction with high affinity. Then the holiday junction is observed during. We know that the holiday junction, it is observed during in case of recombination. Here comes the next question, that is the 573 number. Induction of beta-galactosidase activity. So the beta-galactosidase activity induction by IPTG is due to, this is due to IPTG binding to LAC-I gene product and inhibiting its activity. So this is because the IPTG, it binds to the LAC-I gene product and inhibits its activity. So there is an induction of beta-galactosidase activity by the IPTG. Next question, 74. That is, which of the following enzymes doesn't require a primer? So you have four options of here which doesn't require a primer. RNA dependent DNA polymerase, no. DNA dependent DNA polymerase, yes, this one is the correct option, that is the C part. DNA dependent RNA polymerase, it does not require a primer. Moving to the next question, number 575. Which of the following antibiotics attaches to the 50S ribosome and inhibits its peptidyl transferase activity? So which antibiotic it attaches to the 50S ribosome? The correct answer to this is chloramphenicol. Coming up with the next question, 576 number. Glycosylation of proteins occurs in the, so the glycosylation of proteins, it occurs in the endoplasmic reticulum. It occurs in ER. (577) The 20 different amino acids found in proteins are normally coded by. So the 20 different amino acids which make up the proteins, they are normally coded by 61 codons. This is the correct answer. Next question is 578 number. Which one of the following promoters is not derived from Agrobacterium? So you have the promoters, four promoters over here, and which one is not derived from Agrobacterium? The correct answer to this is CAMB35S. Rest all these NOS, IPT and the bit D, they are the promoters of the, they are derived from Agrobacterium. Question number 579. A mapping method for identifying markers linked to a trait of our interest in a natural population is, so there is a mapping method. We have to identify the markers linked to a trait of interest in a natural population, and this is known as the association mapping. Last question. Suppressor tRNA mutations are those in which, what are the suppressor tRNA mutations? These are those in which transcription of tRNA genes is suppressed. No. Translation of mRNA is suppressed due to the absence of tRNA. No. Yes. C part is the correct one. That is, amino acid is incorporated in place of a stop codon. So, in place of a stop codon, an amino acid is incorporated due to mutation in anticodon region of the tRNA. This is what happens in case of suppresses tRNA mutations. So, last one. This one is the question for you. Kindly solve it out and comment in the comment box, and we'll be discussing this question in our next video. The question goes like this. Which of the following amino acids is coded by maximum number of codons? So you have 4 options over here, and you have to pick up the amino acid which is coded by maximum number of codons. So the options are as leucine, tryptophan, valine, or the alanine. So dear friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe the channel. Repeatedly I am saying this thing because you will be able to get the quick revision of all the short videos which we are putting nowadays, and you will be able to cover many of the topics in these videos. Please like and share the video.